My Glow Up Evening Skincare Routine featuring Paula's Choice. Hey fam, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining the Glow Society. Today we're going to dive into one of my most asked about daily flow routines, my evening skincare. And for me, it's all about my tried and true ride or die favorites from Paula's Choice. Tonight's routine is going to be about maintaining clarity, brightening, hydration, and anti-aging support. We're going to go step by step through my full evening ritual from cleansing all the way to sealing in that moisture. I want to make sure you know that I purchased these products myself and this is not a sponsored video. These are some of the products that I use in my daily skincare routine. So grab a comfy robe and a glass of bubbly and let's get glowing. Step one is absolute non-negotiable, and that's cleansing. I usually apply my cleanser using a sponge to help exfoliate. And I use Paula's Choice Optimum Results Hydrating Cleanser, which has a hydrating lotion formula. This cleanser effectively removes traces of makeup, gently taking everything off without stripping my skin, and all while leaving my skin feeling soft and hydrated. When cleansing my face, I use a circular motion, applying gentle pressure to help with the exfoliation process. After thoroughly cleansing, I grab a disposable towel and remove the product from my face. Let me know in the comments below, what are your ride or die Paula's Choice products? Or what products do you use? If you are enjoying this video and want to see more glam, glow, daily flow, and go with me, Nisi, hit that subscribe button and join my inner circle. Give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to tap the bell so you'll never miss a beat. This hydrating cleanser leaves my skin so refreshed. I removed all the cleanser and now it's time to move on to step 2, exfoliation. And I use Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I use a small spray bottle for better control and to minimize wasting product. This beta hydroxy acid exfoliant goes deep into the pores, helps clear out congestion, and just smooths everything out. It's fantastic for keeping breakouts at bay, minimizing pores, and giving you that truly refined skin texture. So if you want skin that truly glows from within, then this is your secret weapon. I use this exfoliant every night. Step 3 is toning. After exfoliation, we want to bring that balance back to the skin. And that's where a great toner comes in. And for me, it's the Paula's Choice Resist Advanced Replenishing Toner with hyaluronic acid. I use a spray bottle to apply this toner to my face as well. And I make sure that I rub it in thoroughly. This isn't your old school stripping toner. Oh no, honey. This toner is packed with antioxidants and nourishing ingredients. It rehydrates, replenishes, and it preps my skin perfectly for everything else I'm about to layer on it. It's like a drink of water for my face. It has a milky consistency and my skin loves it. We all have those specific areas that we want to give a little extra love. Step 4 is targeted treatment, and for me it's the under eye area. I'm using the Paula's Choice C5 Super Boost Eye Cream. This creamy vitamin C eye cream targets under eye discoloration, brightens dullness, and visibly firms. A little goes a long way, and remember to be super gentle around this delicate area of your under eye. We're keeping those eyes looking bright and ready for the next glow up. I'm patting the cream gently into my skin as it is absorbed. Next, I'm going to use Paula's Choice 25% Vitamin C plus Glutathione Clinical Serum. Serums are where you get those concentrated doses of active ingredients. And this serum is fantastic for evening out your skin tone, smoothing skin texture, and providing a radiant glow. And that's what I need. For me, it's a non-negotiable in my evening routine. I apply the serum using my fingertips to my forehead, both cheeks, to my chin, and my nose. And then I go on ahead and rub it in, making sure to apply it evenly across my skin. And then I hit my neck as well. I want to make sure that everything gets a taste of the glow. Using a serum is optional, but for me, it helps to increase my overall glow. For my last step, I moisturize and boost. I seal the deal. The grand finale, moisturizing. This is all about locking everything in, and I'm using Paula's sChoice C5 Super Boost Moisturizer to lock in that hydration, and we're going to take it up a notch with a booster. I love to combine my moisturizer with a few drops of the Paula's sChoice C15 Super Booster for an extra surge of hydration. This combination is just pure luxury. It makes my skin feel so supple, so hydrated, and so ready for a good night's sleep, waking up with skin that feels so soft. Investing in your skin is one of the best forms of self-care and a crucial part of our daily flow for that ultimate glow. And that, Glow Society, is my full Paula's Choice evening routine that keeps my skin looking its absolute best. Thanks for watching my evening skincare routine. Let me know in the comments below, what's one step in your evening routine that you can't live without? The products I use will be in the description and the links will be below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button and join my inner circle. Thanks for watching.